He wasn't a builder. He served a king far from home. Then came the news. A city broken, walls burned, people exposed.
We rebuild.
It wasn't just ruin. It was a people left unprotected. And something in him refused to ignore it. So he prayed and stepped into a plan bigger than himself. He left comfort and walked into ruin, not knowing how it would hold, only that it had to begin. The wall lay in pieces, and the voices were already laughing. They mocked every stone, but he kept building. By night, fear changed, not what they saw, but what might come. The pressure grew, inside more than outside. No certainty, only trust. No safety, only obedience. And still, the work continued. The wall wasn't finished, the threat didn't leave, but neither did they. Because sometimes God doesn't remove the pressure, He builds something stronger inside you through it.